Ang Palawan po ay nagbigay na po sila ng fishing ban policy sa mga municipal waters. So it sets now a strong precedent for coastal protection and prioritizing small-scale fishers. Your thoughts po on this? Kayo ba isang-ayon ang Palawan na po ay magpapatupad na po ng fishing ban?
Yes, we laud this effort of the province of Palawan kasi it gives nga the priority and preferential rights to our small-scale fishers to fish inside their municipal waters. Alam naman natin na if commercial fishing continues to enter and fish inside our municipal waters, the competition is quite high, and the municipal fishers cannot compete against the big boats, and as well the technological capability of commercial fishers to fish. So maganda yung effort ng province to protect their municipal fishers, which of course provides food for their coastal communities kasi sila nga yung isa sa mga ating source of food security for our local communities in terms of giving the supply of fish.
So maganda
yung
so yung municipal waters is 15 kilometers from the shore, no? So yun, bawal pumasok, yung pumasok doon yung mga malalaking mga fishing vessels para talaga yung mga maliliit lang, correct?
Bawal po bawal at all. So kasi yung this is in response also to the Mercedar fishing case in the Supreme Court. Now pending finality in the Supreme Court, and there were a lot of parang confusion about the effect of this decision. So alam naman natin kahit hindi pa final the executor, ginagamit kasi to as an excuse by some commercial fishing sector to say na they're now allowed to fish inside municipal water. So yung declaration ng Palawan is really to set a precedent na hindi talaga allowed. We are exerting our local autonomy na amin to ang municipal waters na ito.
Ayun. Okay.